Hello students, this is the third question. Here, daily wise humidity was recorded in a month. So we can expect 30 readings belongs to a month about a relative humidity. What is called a relative humidity? Humidity means moisture. So they are going to record the percentage of moisture in a year, in a month, every day. So this is for day 1 moisture, day 2 moisture, day 3, day 4, day 5. Likewise, 30 days record of moisture is given. The data of moisture is given. So, and the question is like this. We have to take class interval like 84 to 86. Here 30 days are there. So we can take any class interval like 5 range, sorry, class size is 5, class size is 10, we can take. But in the textbook they are asking us to take the class interval like this 84 to 86, just to 2 range, that means 2 points range, and 86 to 88, like that. And second question, they are asking us guess which month record it could be. Is it belongs to January, February, March, or September, October? Like that, they are asking what is the month. And the third question is range. So, what is the minimum and what is the maximum? What is the difference between maximum value and minimum value? That is called the range. So, as per their requirement, we will take 84 to 86. We will start here. So, first of all, first we verify the range. The max value minus minimum value. The maximum value is 99.2 is the maximum value, and minimum value is 84.9 is the minimum value. Therefore, 14.3 range, that means that much deviation is there between maximum and minimum. So 84.9, that means we should take 84 at first, because we cannot take less than that, because there is no reading. If you want to take 83 and there is no reading, but 84 is feasible and we can take it, and according to the question. So you can write down the class interval 84 to 86, 86 to 88, 88 to 90, 90 to 92, like that up to 100, because the maximum value is 99.2. Now, so just you find out tally 98.2. So you can take from 0 to up to, so what could be the range here? 84. That means you can take 84.0 to 86. That means 85.9 you can take. Up to 85.9 you can take. But you should not take 86. 86 should be recorded in the next class. So likewise, because here we have to carefully notice the decimal point. We have to carefully notice the decimal point. Decimal point is important. 98.1 is there, 98.6 is there. So decimal point is essential to tally that. So like that, if you tally, the readings will be like that. If you find, you can get the total is 30. You can try the tally, you can get the answer. Now next one, they're asking us what is the month. We cannot say the name of the month, but it is a month in the rainy season, because it is having highest humidity up to 99. Therefore, these readings belongs to a month of a rainy season. That is the answer for the second. And answer for the third part of this question is what is the range? We already discussed beginning of the answer. Okay, let's come to the fourth question. Here we have 50 numbers are here. These numbers belongs to a class like your class of 50 students and their heights in centimeters. So number one. So who is number one in your class? In your class. So his or her height could be 161 centimeters. Number 2 height 150 centimeters. Number 3 height 154 centimeters. Likewise, the heights of 50 students of a class is given, of a section or of a class is given. Now, they are asking us to tally the values, and required is we have to find the class, we have to take the class interval like this. It was given in the textbook. This is also given in the textbook. They are asking us to take like this. So here also they are asking us to take like this. So we have to start not with the 160 like that. That means 160 to 165, it may come at the middle, but we should take the least number, that is the range. Now first of all we will go for the range. What is the highest number? 173, and minimum value is 150. That is 23 differentiation is there between highest value and least value. Therefore, so 23, the class size here they are asking us to take 5. The class size between lower limit and upper limit is 5. Therefore, I am dividing with 5 is around 4.6, or you can take 5. That means 4.6 class. That means these groups will come 4.6. We cannot make a decimal group. That's what we can round off to 5 groups are there. Now the range is 100 and starts with 150. So I have taken as 150, and the maximum value is 173. Therefore, I can take up to 75. We cannot stop at the middle, but because all the values should be in a proper pattern. Therefore, we should take 175. Even though you can take 1 or 2 extra, is no problem. So 150 to 155, 150 to 160, 160 to 165, 165 to 170, 170 to 175. So if you tally the marks one after the other, if you cancel and you make a tally, and the frequency will be 12, 9, 14, 10, 5, 50. And they are asking us, so that's all about the tally table and class interval and frequencies. Okay, the next one is, so how you are going to conclude the answer. If you observe these values is around 50, total number of students are 50. Therefore, here 12, 9, so 21 plus 14, 35. So 50%, more than 50%, 50% of students are shorter than 165. This is the range. From here to here, only within these, more than 50% of students were marked here. Only some students are having little height, 165 to 170, only 10 students are there. So 170 to 175, so higher height, so taller students are 5. So in this way we can conclude. So first of all you have to mark the range, find the range. Okay, now go to the question. They are asking us to take class intervals like this. So 5 is the class size. So with the 5 you have to divide. So how many you will get groups? 4.6. That means 5 groups you can create, and you can start tallying. You will get these values. That's all.